From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if you could transform your old mattress into a luxurious sleeping haven without breaking the bank? With a True Sleep bamboo mattress topper. This game-changing product has taken the sleep industry by storm, and it's easy to see why. With its cutting-edge features, including LED lights, pro cooling, and easy setup, this topper is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their sleep experience. The removable bamboo cover is not only machine washable, but it also provides a soft, breathable texture that will make you feel like you're sleeping on a cloud. When you lay down on the True Sleep bamboo mattress topper, you'll notice the super comfy 3-inch loft that cradles your body, providing the perfect support and pressure relief for a restful night's sleep. The easy care and quick fluff recovery also mean that this topper will stay fresh and comfortable for years to come. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its ability to provide a cool and comfortable sleeping surface, even on the hottest nights. The Pro Cooling feature is particularly impressive, as it regulates body temperature, ensuring that you won't overheat or feel too cold. The LED lights are also a nice touch, providing a soothing ambience that will help you relax and unwind before bed. Whether you're looking to alleviate back pain or simply want to upgrade your sleep experience, the True Sleep bamboo mattress topper is an excellent choice. With its unique combination of features and benefits, it's no wonder that this product has become so popular among sleep enthusiasts. If you're looking to take your sleep to the next level, I highly recommend giving the True Sleep bamboo mattress topper a try. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.